work with ChatGPT is to first ask the chatbot if it is familiar with specific context, content, or frameworks before you begin a line of inquiry. For example, we can write in a specific framework so that we can ask, in plain language, ChatGPT if it is familiar with that framework. So you can write in the framework that you want to ask ChatGPT about, and you can then click Enter. And ChatGPT will then tell you whether it is familiar with the framework or the content that you are looking for. In some cases, if we restate our question, we will be able to get a fuller explanation of the framework that we're looking to work with. Once you understand that ChatGPT understands the framework or the content that you are looking for, you can then begin to use that content or that context for future queries. We will practice this concept in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.